Feel the heat. Utilizing our Mini, which is a quick attack structure engine, and one of our 1,500-gallon water pumpkins. This exercise allows our firefighters to experience the heat of a fire up close. Being able to feel the heat of a fire, and seeing how their personal protective equipment reduces that heat, will give them confidence in their equipment during a real fire.
Okay, you want that?
Yeah.
Another tool they have is a water curtain, which uses the fog pattern of your nozzle. This greatly reduces the heat between you and the fire, allowing you to get closer and be more effective. The other thing that was practiced was being part of a hose team, which helps them to learn how to work together and watch out for each other. As you can see, the second firefighter is pulling the hose forward so the nozzle man can concentrate on working the water stream.
It's very hot where I'm standing.
Notice how the team backs away from the fire using the water curtain to protect them until far enough away from the fire.
Very hot here.
Also, notice the second firefighter pulls the hose away from the nozzle man so he won't trip over the hose while backing out.
Rear tender, go ahead.
A1, Rescue 1, respond to 626 South Washington. 626 South Washington, male adult.
Bring it out!
Not breathing at this time.
There you go!
This is how our 1,500-gallon pumpkin is filled from a water tender.